If you're wondering how to export data from Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the process of exporting your data in just a few simple steps. Whether you need customer information, job details, or payment histories. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share an exclusive deal to get you started with Housecall Pro for free, plus some bonuses. Now, let's dive in. When you first log into your Housecall Pro account, head over to the Reports tab on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you can access all the data you need for your business. Housecall Pro offers a variety of reports, including customer lists, job histories, invoices, and even your business's revenue breakdowns. To export any of this data, you'll want to choose the report that fits your needs. Once you've selected the report, you'll be brought to a page that gives you more filtering options. For example, if you're exporting customer data, you can filter by specific job types, date ranges, or even the status of the jobs. This helps narrow down exactly what data you want to export. After applying the filters, just look for the Export button, typically found in the top right corner of the page. When you click Export, you'll be prompted to choose a file format. The most common options are CSV and Excel. If you're working with Excel, Housecall Pro will allow you to download the data directly to your computer. CSV files are great for uploading data into other software if needed, so select the format that works best for you. It's that simple. You can now take the exported data and use it however you need, whether that's for analysis, sharing with your team, or integrating it into your other business systems. But before you go, let me share something important. If you're new to Housecall Pro and want to try out this software for yourself, you can get started for free through the first link below, and you'll get access to exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. This is a perfect way to streamline your business operations without committing to anything upfront. Housecall Pro isn't just for exporting data though, it's an all-in-one platform that helps with scheduling, invoicing, customer management, and so much more. So if you want to take your business to the next level, you can do that too, all in one place. Remember, using Housecall Pro for free is easy with our exclusive offer, so make sure to check out the link below and get started with an extended free trial today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.